Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Good evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss some basic questions related with valence electron, valency and core electron. Here 10 MCQ have been given. You have to select the correct option and circle. Each question carries 1 mark. Now see, before this I mentioned in last video that is related with the core electron. If you want to see this video, go to the description box and get links. Then you easily understand this topic and solve every question very easily. We have to first understand the number of electrons that present in an innermost cell escaped outermost cell of an element called as. Now we take example like nitrogen. We know that Z of nitrogen is 7, so we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. First we have to understand that it is outermost cell and it is innermost cell. We know that we have to select innermost cell, that is known as core electron, and outermost cell, that is known as valence cell electron. So here we have to know that the innermost cell is known as the core electrons that present in innermost cells. So here answer is one is done for you. Core electron, the correct answer for these questions. Now we see the next question. Question number 2. If Z of an element is 10, then obtain valence electron, valency and core electron. Now first we write electronic configuration. Suppose that any element X which Z of 10, we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We know that it is innermost cell and that is outermost cell. So it is known as valence electron. Here valence electron is that, and 1s2 in which electron is present is core electron. So we have to derive valence electron, core electron, and after that we know that how to derive valency. We see in last video, so you can easily solve this question. So we see the first example A 208, B 028, C 820 and D 802. First we have to select the correct answer, then we have to circle the correct option. Now we see question number 3. Neon 3s2 3p4. In this electronic configuration, obtain number of orbitals completely filled in last subcell. Here first we have to write the electronic configuration. We know that neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So we have to derive last subcell. Here we know that outermost cells, and now we have to derive the last subcells. Here 3s2 and 3p4. So here last subcell is 3p4. We have to derive the completely filled orbitals. So first we draw the orbitals of p. Now we derive 1, 2, 3. Here 4 electron. Now in this way we have to observe which orbitals are filled and which orbitals are unfilled. So we have to select the correct options in given options A2, B3, C1 and D0. Now you have to select the correct option. Now we see the question number 4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. In given electronic configuration, we have to calculate number of orbitals with half filled and completely filled in last subcell. So first we have to derive the last subcell. Here 3s2, 3p5 is outermost cells, where 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is innermost cell. So we have to select last subcell. Here 3s2, 3p5 is one K cell, L cell and that is M cell. So we have to derive last subcell. So here two subcells are given, 3s2 and 3p5. So we have to select last subcell. So we know that 3p5 is the last subcell. So number of orbital with half filled and completely filled. So first we have to draw the orbitals. Then we know that how to draw the orbitals. If we know that, then we easily draw. Now you have to fill one by one electron. Now electron is 5. So we have to write in this way, and now you have to observe the completely and half filled orbitals. Now you have to select correct answer. Here A 3 and 1, B 2 and 1, C 1 and 1, D 2 and 2. So you have to select correct answer. Question number 5. Argon 4s1. In this electronic configuration, derive core electrons and number of orbitals in last subcell. Here first we have to write the electronic configuration of given elements, and we have to derive first core electron escaped outermost cells and number of orbitals in last subcell. Then in last subcell we have just discussed about the orbitals. So you have to draw the orbitals and derive its correct answer. A 2 and 2, B 10 and 1, C 18 and 2 and D 18 and 1. So you have to select the correct answer. Now question number 6. Pick out element symbol in which valence electron, valency, core electron are identical. Now here four options are given: A. Magnesium, B. Calcium, C. Helium, D. Beryllium. Now in given option you have to select correct option in which valence electron, valency and core electron are identical, that means similar. So you have to select the correct option. Now question number 7. Four elements such as helium, beryllium, magnesium and calcium are given. What is not common among these elements? First, we have to observe with respect to option A valence electron, B valency, C cell and D none of these. So here three options with respect to given questions that is not common among these elements. So you have to select correct options. Now here you have to observe and give the correct answer. Now see the next question. Question number 8. Choose the right option in which valency of elements are similar but core electrons are dissimilar. So here options are given: A. Beryllium and oxygen, B. Magnesium and sulfur, C. Calcium and sulfur and D. None. So here with respect to valency and core electron you have to derive the correct option. Now see the next question. What is the common among the elements such as lithium, sodium and potassium? Here one common among these given elements options: A. Core electrons, B. Valence electron, C. Shell, D. Valence electron and valency. Among given options you have to choose the correct option to given elements like lithium, sodium and potassium. So you have to select correct option. Now question number 10. Select the right option in which valence electrons remains in an ascending order but valency remains in descending order. Here you have to arrange elements in this way where valence electron go in ascending order but valency comes in descending order. So here option sodium is greater than potassium and potassium is greater than lithium. B. Beryllium greater than magnesium and magnesium is greater than calcium. C. Oxygen is greater than carbon and carbon is greater than nitrogen. D. Carbon is greater than nitrogen and nitrogen is greater than oxygen. So here among given option one is correct. So you have to observe with respect to valence electron and valency that are respectively arranged in ascending and descending order. If you like this video, give comments and thanks for watching this video.